Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Microsoft Edge extensions from Chrome Web Store. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Microsoft Edge on your computer. In the upper right corner, click on the three-dot menu icon. From the drop-down menu, select Extensions. This will open the Extensions sidebar. In the Extensions sidebar, enable the Allow Extensions from Other Stores toggle. A prompt will appear confirming your choice. Click on the Allow button to confirm. Now, open a new tab and visit the Chrome Web Store. Use the search bar to find the extension you want to install. Once you find the extension, click on its listing to open the Details page. On the extension page, click the Add to Chrome button. A pop-up will appear confirming your installation. Review the permissions the extension requires. If you are comfortable, click on the Add Extension button. The extension will begin downloading and installing. Once installed, you will see a notification confirming the successful installation. You can manage your new extension by going back to the Extensions sidebar in Edge. To access extension options, click on the extension icon in the toolbar. If needed, you can disable or remove the extension from the Extensions sidebar. And that's it. You've successfully installed a Chrome extension in Microsoft Edge. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.